Alright YouTube, G Money here. What I have today is two door locks or door openers, door actuators I believe they call it. This one has a bad spring right there that came off, and the other one's in good condition from the junkyard. Today we're going to be working on the Galaxy. So let's move over to the door. First, attach the Phillips head screws. As you're looking inside this door, the top lever goes to the lock and the bottom lever goes to the door handle outside. The bottom lever on the side is for the interior door handle, and the top lever here is the latch that goes outside of the panel. With the door lock, you push this clip back to the side and you push the lever in. Then put that clip back on. Let's attach a door handle. Same thing, you move the clip out of the way, you push the lever in, and then you reattach the clip. We are on to the bottom one, which is the door lever inside the door. You push the rod in, and you make a clip. Okay, the last rod that we're going to be installing is the one that goes past the door panel to show people whether the door is locked or unlocked. So it's got to go straight up. With everything attached, let's see if it works. Oh my gosh, for the first time ever, my doors work! Woohoo! If you reach, I teach, so reach out what you want to learn next.